Hey everyone and welcome, and we are going to be doing this look right here, which is a smoky classic glam. It's cute, it's pretty, and it's what? Glamorous, just like me. Joke intended. Horrible joke. Anyways, we're gonna get started on this look. If you want to know how I did this look, make sure to keep watching, like, and subscribe before anything, and let's get started. You're going to need eyeliner, fluffy brush, a pink eyeshadow, and a darker shadow. So we're going to do our liner starting with a straight line and pulling inwards, and we're going to fill it in. So basically just a simple liner. Once you get the simple liner done, we're going to grab this gray eyeshadow and apply right over that liner to give it a smoky effect. Just like so. So we want to make sure to pack it on, and then right after we pack it on, we want to blend it out just a bit and also get it to the outer edges of where the liner tail is. And because my eyes are hooded, I do have to pull up the shadow a little bit higher, which is kind of annoying, but you kind of got to like tweak it to your own eye. Now we're going to start smoking out that eyeshadow, so we're going to bring it up to the tail, or to the crease, smoke it upwards and into the outer edges. Grab your pink shimmer and apply it right to the front corners, just like so. Apply as much as you want, don't be cheap with it. We are going to grab a little more of that dark eyeshadow, that gray, and then just blend it to the lash line and with the liner once again to create that smoky effect. Next, we're going to do the inner corner eyeshadow. We're going to grab that shimmer pink right there. You can grab a lighter color and just apply it to the inner corner of your eye to add the highlighted effect. Next, you're going to grab that pink shimmer and apply it right underneath your lower lash line. And just make sure just to blend it out really well. I'm just adding more because I just want it like really pigmented, but it's okay if you don't want to have it like intense. Now we're going to grab that dose of colors, darker shadow, and just apply it right over the pink to give that smoky effect. Final touch-ups, put on your lashes, and bam, done. I'm a huge fan of smoky eyeshadows and just paints in general, so if you're a fan like me, make sure to try this look out. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification button for future videos. Once again, everyone, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys
Let's go.